Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe. Today, I haven't done a nail video for a while, so I decided that we were going to use these Kiss and Press and do these Christmas nails. As you can tell, I've already got one set of Christmas nails on, but those are coming off. So I'm going to move the camera down to my fingers and we're going to get started because I've just got a few minutes and then my husband's going to start yelling at me that we need to get to church, or I need to get to church. He's not going because his back's been hurting him, but I will go and save our seats. So this can't really take us too long or I'll be in trouble. I've worn these 1 week. It seems like I changed them last Sunday. And you can see, and they've stayed on real good. And you can see I'm having to pull them, you know. They've stayed real good the way I've done it. And I'm going to use some polish remover and take the adhesive off. But if every little drop's not off, that's okay. Because we're in a hurry. It's not going to hurt your nails or anything. So. And I actually forgot to bring my nail polish that I was going to put on a base coat. But that's okay. I can just use this Sally Hansen double duty. I use that a lot anyway. So you can tell some of them's pretty easy to come off, but I probably could have worn them another day. The last set, when I put these on, I think I had those on a week and a day because I didn't have time to change them on Saturday. And anyway, I think I'm getting ready for, I don't think, I know. I am getting ready for Vlogmas. And I think I did a nail video inside of Vlogmas. And I just use paper towels to take my polish off with. Seems like cotton balls leave lint and stuff on there that we don't want. So I don't use that. This, I think, was $1.25, came from Dollar Tree. Might have been $1.50, whatever their prices are nowadays. So we got to do these quickly. And I'm not getting it all off because I'm in a hurry. The 9 o'clock thing just rang and my husband's going to be fussing. So I need to get these on. And if there's adhesive left on, that's okay. I've done that before. Every now and then I'll clean them completely off. I think they kind of stay a little bit better if there's a little bit of that adhesive. And now when we was doing the semi-cured gel strips, now that was a different story. You didn't want to do that, you know, because it would be bulky. And you could see kind of underneath it, but these are fine. Yeah. These are fine. To do that too. Now, if I had more time, I would try to get it all off, but, and I did last week. I believe I got it all off last week. And once, for a while, I couldn't get that off, and I think it's in my Vlogmas video, because I had to pre-record on my Vlogmas videos, and I was using, I couldn't get the stuff off. None of the old adhesive would come off, and I just couldn't get. And when I looked at the polish remover, it was like non-acetone. No wonder it wouldn't. So, anyway, if I had time, I'd work a little bit harder on that now. But I don't. We got to get going. And plus, people get bored with long videos anyway. So, we need to try to make this quick. And I'm using some software called OBS to record. I think that works out better than trying to, you know, position the iPad. Because this has got several things where I can like record the screen. I can record my face. I can record, the keyboard. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, recording the keyboard or the desk view. So, Anyway, I like these nails. I did buy me some Kiss, and you'll see them. I do a nail video where I show you everything I buy, and it'll be up in a few days. I forget exactly which day. Most of the Vlogmas videos are makeup. I do a couple little shopping things, and I do one video that's a makeup haul, and I do one video that's nail haul and put on. I don't rush through it like I am now, but I guess I poked around too much this morning. Now we got to get these done. Okay. These are absolutely not going to match my clothes today, but I'm wearing them all week, so hopefully something that I wear that will match, but even if I don't, that's okay. It's festive. Okay. So these are the impressed. They came from the Kiss website. I've not seen anything online Christmas nails from them, but like I think you can always get. Typically, there's sales, maybe even this weekend, probably about certain % off. But I didn't do those because I'd already bought these in advance, and I'm pretty sure I got something off on them. 25% at least. And so I bought all my Christmas nails. We're just gonna take it one more little pass through, see if we get some more off. But if whatever we don't get off is just fine. Because I keep I keep these on them all the time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do one coat. Typically I was using, this is just fine and dandy. I was using sometimes some like rubber coated or, some prep polish from Dashing Diva or something, but I didn't bring it in here. So this is just fine. You can see where I didn't get it all off that, but it's just fine. It might even pull off next time I take these off. I guess it looks kind of crusty now for you guys watching me, and it looks crusty for me, but I know it's not going to show. I know it's going to. And a lot of times, trying to scrape all these off will probably weaken your nails. See how long mine's gotten just from, I hadn't had one tear off at all. Like before when I was using the semi-cured gel strips, when I would move them, sometimes they would take the whole tip of the nail off with them. And I haven't had that happen with these. In fact, I've got some nails, which you'll see in the nail haul, I think, that I accidentally purchased as shorts instead of medium. And I really like them, so I'm probably going to have to trim my nails down before I use those a little bit. But they'll grow back. Okay, let's let these dry for a second. They don't have to be too dry. And we got to pick out our nails real quick first, too. Come on now. Yeah, I'm not doing a good job. I'm in a hurry. I did want to do this video, though. So these look like they're matte nails. I hope y'all like matte. Hope I don't get polish and stuff all over them. But if I do, that's okay. I can always take like a gloss coat and cover them. So it looks like we've got a few, we've got a few decorative nails and mostly green. And these decorative ones are pretty big. So a lot of these I kind of don't get to use. Like these really big ones here, those are going to go in the trash. I'm not even going to be tempted with them. Okay. Yeah, I'm hurrying them too much, and but I think this is one that's going in the trash. Okay. We've got a few gold and a few French. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gold and how many? 6 French. So we can probably do 1 week, and then the rest are solid green. So these real skinny ones, that's going to be a pinky, and then we're going to have we're going to save the other real skinny one for next set. So, because I only think I bought 3 Christmas sets, but some of them can be used in January. So this is what I'll be doing the next few weeks. Now we need a 4th finger now. And my nails are a little bit longer. So they have to, some of my natural nails going to be hanging on at the bottom, but I'm okay with that. That doesn't bother me. And as I've said before, it's better to go too small than too big. But with them long like this, they don't go all the way to the bottom, and I've not been having the problems with them being too big lately like I did whenever they was a little bit longer than my nails. Now this one's got gook on it, but that's okay. It'll come off. And so let's find, we could do 1 of each and then the rest green, or we could try to do 2 of each. That one's kind of big. I might save that one for an emergency for next time. Okay. Really, the longest you can get your nails, the better. Now then, we got those 2 nails. Now we need a pointer now. We can do gold or we can do green. Most of the big ones are green and the little ones, so too big. That one's okay. And those thumbs, you definitely don't want those too big because they'll be hanging up on you. So now we just need the pointer. Let's see, what was this in? Too big, trash. There's that other trash one. The others, we will just keep them for emergencies. So, we need the pointer finger. Maybe we need a small one though. Sort of small. Hold on, this hand we'll do this gold one. It looks kind of small. Now, and then this pointing finger is a little bit bigger. Okay, I think we got them all picked out. Let us just put these all back in the container and we'll have them we'll use them up. I decided I don't like these old. I don't think they stick as well. But that's just what I discovered. And I carry these in my purse in case there's an emergency. But usually we don't have that. Okay. So these are going to go in my purse. And then I'm going to take all the backs off. And I am moving. I'm changing my exercise. I was just going to quit doing exercise. Well, I wasn't going to quit exercising. I was going to quit posting exercises. But I had a second channel that I wasn't using, and I didn't have much on it. And so I've cleaned that off, and that's going to be my exercise videos if anyone's interested. They're easy walk in place for, easy for old women or whoever. They don't have to be just old women. So, now then, what time is it? I've got about 5 minutes before my husband starts yelling. So, these are all pulled off and picked out. And if I get a bunch of stuff on these matte ones, what I will do is I will just put a top coat on them, make them glossy instead. Okay. And sometimes during the week, I will tighten up the corners with some clear polish. It seems like when I bought these, I'm pretty sure I did not know they were matte, or I probably would not have bought them, because I'm not I don't really like matte nails. But I was just like looking on it on the screen and not really reading any description or anything. And I'm thinking that I like the kind of pointy, almond-y looking ones better than these. I go through styles. I do not like the squares. Now, I'm up squares if I'm not doing much. It's harder to type in. I do have some squares that I am going to be wearing because I paid money for them. I don't want to waste my money. And I did donate to the donation place a lot of those anything that was open of those semi-cures I threw out, and anything that wasn't open I sent to the DAV to donate to other people, because I knew I wasn't going to use them before they expired. And I just did. I needed to declutter the house. I need to do more decluttering. I did some more decluttering over the weekend. Around Christmas break, I'll probably do some more. So, I'm going to have to get going, guys. My husband's going to be yelling at me. So, this is the nails. I think what I'm going to do is change the camera so you can see it. Let me change the camera. Okay, so here I am. Here's the nails. I got to go. My husband's going to be fussing. Later on the day, I will set and tighten these edges up with some clear, and if these mattes look bad, I will take some glossy and put over it. Like I said, I did not know they were matte when I bought them, because I don't like matte, but I don't hate them, but I just prefer glossy. Anyway, we will see you next time. Be sure and hit your notification bell button, because I've got videos so far scheduled up to the 24th, and I've got another one 25th, and do all kinds of chatting in them, and so you'll find out what's going on with me and things like that. And we will see you next time. Bye bye.